prototype program. It is 3:30 in the morning. We have just arrived to the airport. Want to give an updated video. Haven't been giving updates lately, so I want to get back into the rhythm of that, so you guys can kind of know like how we're doing this. So we did take a small part-time job at PDX Airport. You know, nothing exclusive or glamorous at all. Pretty much all what we do. It's pretty actually exciting, especially for PodPack and for ADHERE gear. But we, taxi in the jets and load and unload the cargo out of the 747s and some of the other larger jets, as well as some of the smaller propeller planes. Pretty much moving all the packages for UPS, FedEx, Amazon, whatever's needed. Tons and tons of Amazon, which is just mind-blowing. So yeah, we took this job. We're looking for opportunities that would help sort of expedite, but also kind of make PodPack a little bit more well-rounded, and ensuring that we understand what we're bringing to the table and how it might work. So we decided to, instead of looking for that basic, part-time job where you get paid per hour, kind of figured, well, what can I do to find a job that, yeah, it'll pay, but that's like, kind of like a given, right? Like any job's gonna pay you. How do I get more out of this so I'm not wasting my time? And figured working at the airport was probably one of the best ways to kind of kill two birds with one stone and get two things done at once, of getting some good experience and exposure to how these packages are moved. Right now I'm moving Amazon boxes, but in my mind I'm swapping out Amazon box for PodPack. So I'm getting like firsthand experience of how would the PodPack be handled. What's the protocol and systems for moving all these different items on a daily basis as they come in on these jets and they're moved into circulation. So really seeing how things are treated, how are the edges treated, what are the different machines and stuff that move these things. Not only does it set me up better for ADHERE gear on knowing how to continue to design the system in-house, but it also exposes me to what's currently being done, and so I can design accordingly for my go-to-market strategy. What's also great is it allows me to see what's been done and accomplished so far in a network like that, and where ADHERE gear can improve to make it better. Because we have a lot of technologies that we're going to continue to develop after a PodPack becomes a big hit, and it's important to know where things are, separate from doing research at the library, the computer, or talking with people, like getting your hands dirty and getting that firsthand experience. So we're gonna work this job, who knows for how long, in my mind, even if I got an investor tomorrow, I'd probably still do it. And it was strategically selected for the exposure, the experience, and one of the more important factors with the timing. It's a shift from pretty much 3 o'clock until 7 o'clock in the morning. So that means I still have the rest of the day to focus on ADHERE gear and still get some valuable experience and get some money to start building this next prototype. So yeah, we'll give you guys an update later. I gotta go load some jets, so talk to you guys out.